Hey friends, it's Elizabeth, Countess of Low Carb, and on today's episode we're going to talk about the coronavirus outbreak. Amazon products you can purchase for low carb foods to have on hand. I've written a blog post that I'm going to link down in the description link below, going into more in depth about this. Full disclosure, I have had my head in the sand about the coronavirus and really didn't care to hear very much about it until recently. There was two pivotal points for me. It was a New York Times blog post, a New York Times podcast, which I will link down below. Also, it is in my blog, and then also a awesome blog post talking more about the coronavirus outbreak and what this means. Full disclosure, I don't want to overhype, I don't want to over sensationalize. What I would rather do, and the intention for this YouTube video, is to show Amazon products, Amazon Prime things that you can get to have preparedness. So you can be emergency preparedness and be prepared potentially for emergency. I realized we had really nothing. If we were to be stuck, and that was part of this New York Times podcast was talking about, if you were stuck in your home for a month, 3 to 4 weeks, do you have what you need to live off of if you had to be stuck in your home? You could not leave your house. And the answer to that question for me was a resounding no. And for any low carb foods, keto foods, forget it. I was starting to look for emergency preparedness foods in the low carb space, and I was having a really hard time finding them. So today's episode is going to be all about the coronavirus emergency preparedness, but with low carb foods that you can get and should have. It will be an ongoing list on the blog post I'm going to be referencing, compiled together of 50 plus items. I'm not going to talk about all of them today, but definitely check out that blog post down below and the Amazon affiliate links that I do have listed down below too. So I wanted to be super intentional about, again, not overhyping, but going into solution-oriented items we can have to be prepared. It's not a bad thing to be prepared, to be a good Girl Scout. So a lot of these, the other second disclaimers, I normally don't eat a lot of packaged foods. I eat them sparingly. I like to get fresh meats, fresh vegetables, and things like that, but that would not be, we only have but so much freezer space, so obviously those would be my go-tos. Organic is best, grass-fed is best. I do want to give that disclaimers for some of the keyboard warriors out there. I know that, but in an emergency that may not be shelf sustainable for 4 weeks at a time. So the first thing I have on here that's listed down below is not this particular brand, but I did want to show this because they were individual packets for shelf life, is Chomps Zero Sugar Beef Jerky is one example of a low carb food. You can easily order it on Amazon if you don't have a local place in your area that you could purchase Chomps from. The next one that I had on here was actually a two-part list. It's in the blog. A two-part list was Fire and Kettle soups. We usually purchase fond bone broth, so of course I would stock up on that, but that does come shipped via cold packs. It has a whole bunch, it's shipped amazingly well. These are actually cartons, so having the shelf life sustainability I think is important. I have a butter curry soup, they have tomato soup, they have a broccoli and cheese, a mushroom bisque soup, a ton of soups from Kettle and Fire, if I could say the words properly. The next thing that I have in there down in the Amazon list down below for the coronavirus emergency preparedness, having low carb foods and keto foods, would be nuts. Now, these have peanuts, which are not keto. They would be more of a low carb thing. The best nuts that you could have on your shelf for the most low carbs, for 2 carbs, would be walnuts, pecans, or macadamia nuts. I included these just because they're individual serving sizes. These were easy grabs to have and to visually show, but on the list down below you can get walnut individual packs to have those on hand. The next Amazon Prime products I do have, of course, is Moon Cheese. This video is not sponsored by them, although I love their brand, but stocking up on Moon Cheese is a great way to have a low carb food, a keto snack that's shelf life sustainable. It does not need to be refrigerated, so it's something great to have on hand. I also, of course, want to have on hand, and I'm going to be placing a reorder, more of the keto bars. They're chocolate covered strawberry. It's by Keto Connect with keto bars. Delicious, really good, and we are out, so I want to order more, so we have some on hand. And of course, these are shelf life sustainable. They do give an expiration date on the package, which is super helpful because it tastes so delicious. The next thing I got was individual cauliflower rice packages. Woo. So these individual cauliflower rice packages, it's microwavable pouches, 6 of them in a box. I will link one that was comparable on Amazon, so you can get it on Amazon Prime. But in this one, there's 12 servings, a half a cup each. For each serving is 3 net carbs. Look through the ingredients. It's just cauliflower, water, and malic acid. That would be another great shelf life sustainable product to have if you don't have freezer space. I was talking to a lot of you on Instagram and on Facebook about freezer space. Our second freezer died, so we have very limited freezer space. So having things like this cauliflower rice that doesn't need to be frozen is a great option to have, and that it's in a pouch so you can carry it with you. We already talked about, here's the broccoli and cheese soup by Kettle and Fire. Again, they have a Thai soup also. That's another great option. My little boy actually really likes that. The next thing is Perfect Keto nut butters. I have for the Amazon link below, but I will also be putting a $10 off 40 code down in the description link below. Perfect Keto has generously had a discount code for Countess of Low Carb viewers. If you want to get a Perfect Keto order in that's off of Amazon, it may be a little bit less expensive by going directly through Perfect Keto with the $10 off 40 code that I will be putting. If not today, this is being filmed right before the weekend. It will be there by next week, but for sure there will be a $10 off 40 code. Hopefully it'll be in there today though. There's keto, so check down in the description below is the answer. There's snickerdoodle, there's a chocolate hazelnut. These ingredients are super clean for these pouches. 2 tablespoons is 5 net carbs. It includes almonds, coconut macadamia nuts, I can never say that right, erythritol, the sugar, MCT oil, cashew, cinnamon, sea salt. Ingredients are super clean and really good. And then they also do have a chocolate hazelnut one. The snickerdoodle is delicious and my favorite, but again, I will put down below the Amazon link, but also if you wanted to get that $10 off 40 package. Next we have bottled water. Stocking up on bottled water. Today I'm actually going to go to the store and get a bunch of cases, but if you don't want to schlep, I'm schlepping because I'm doing YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, so to me schlepping is kind of part of this gig. But if you don't want to schlep and have it delivered to your house via Amazon Prime, get a whole bunch of bottled water. I will link down below. With Prime Pantry with Amazon, you can save a significant more amount, so I will link that down below for you as well. Next we have almond butter, actual containers, and I did not put mine in here, of almond butter. That of course is a keto food. A low carb food would be peanut butter. I'm just making sure that the peanut butter, making sure there's no added sugars in it. Almond butter is a better choice than peanut butter in terms of carb count though, and ingredients usually. Next is canned tuna. We got a ton of canned tuna and mayonnaise. Just to have on hand, you can get these in the pouches. If you don't want to use a can opener for the metal component, these are shelf life sustainable, a good thing to have on hand for an emergency that you can easily make. Excuse me. Sounds kind of weird and kind of gross. I like putting my tuna on top of cauliflower rice, or you can mix it with some of the moon cheese and sprinkle that on top. It's really good. Next we have canned chicken. Also again, shelf life sustainable using chicken breast. I showed how you can make keto pizza crust out of canned chicken. It's really actually very good. If we don't use all these cans, I'm making a ton of keto pizza canned chicken. You can see that on some of my other YouTube videos and my keto meal prep playlist down below. Starbucks coffee, that's another ordering component for us, but also Perfect Keto, again along those lines with the nut butter, does have instant coffee. That does not break a fast, and someone had said in our Facebook group and on Instagram, gosh, I could fast a whole bunch. I'm like, yes, this is the perfect time to do fasting. With coronavirus, get your fast in. If you're staying at home, you know what I mean, like you can fast, and if you're trapped at home. But having instant coffee, this is mocha. They do have Perfect Keto. It has a lot of MCT oil powder within it. Of course, that could potentially break a fast. So just having it during your eating window as a potential instant drink though. Mocha, they have a French vanilla, and they do have a plain version too if you want instant coffee. Next is going to be pork rinds. Having a whole bunch of pork rinds on hand, that's an easy, you can use those to mash and make fried chicken, or mash and make my amazing keto fish dish that was on our last keto meal prep this past Sunday. Excuse me, you can do a lot of cool things with that. Next I have keto cookies. I stuck these because if I'm going to be trapped in the house, I'm going to want some keto cookies. They very well may stall your weight loss, but there's something to have if you're trapped in the house for 4 weeks. You can make keto brownies, you can make a lot of sweet things, but ideally trying to keep this low carb foods, keto foods. The next thing is palmini noodles. They have these in the pouches or in the cans. For the coronavirus, if you were to be stuck in your house for 3 to 4 weeks, do you have what you need at your house? Next is Premier Protein individual shakes. I usually don't recommend their products just because of the ingredients in them. But again, having shelf life sustainable things, if we're going to be stuck at home for 4 weeks, that is a potential option. Ingredients I do recommend are Atlas protein bars. We love their protein bars. I also need to make another order of these as well. I highly, highly recommend them. They taste good, the ingredients are good, and they're a good company. Next is going to be Sola bread as it freezes. We have a bunch of Sola bread in our freezer as needed. Again, having discernment for low carb foods, keto foods, what that means for your insulin, your blood sugar, and being an informed consumer. If your body, some people's bodies can't handle low carb bread, some bodies can. Check the ingredients of what your comfort level is. Again, being stuck at home, I'm trying to think for 4 weeks in advance, what am I going to put on my canned tuna on day 28? You know what I'm saying? Making sure we have what we need. Next is going to be a keto granola. I just ordered some that's over, actually still in my Amazon box, as is a whole bunch of, I'll link down below, a whole bunch of paper towels, toilet paper, laundry detergent, dish detergent, if you have a baby, diapers, formula, wipes. Having things like that on hand is not a bad thing, and making sure that you have those. If you were to be stuck in your house, do you want to run out of toilet paper? Amazon does have a great deal on their toilet paper, paper towels. You can get their generic version frequently with coupons and subscribe and save. You can cancel the subscribe and save, but make a big subscribe and save order. If you order 5 or more subscribe and save items in one order, you do get 15% off with that. I also put in there Chalk Zero Keto Bark. We did order that. If I'm stuck in the house, I'm gonna get it. I normally don't get keto pancake mix, but I did pick up one. Again, if we're stuck in the house having shelf life sustainable food, that was an option, more of a low carb option. A large jar of pickles, Snap individual pickles, and again, these are linked, all of the products, if you want to go click on the Amazon affiliate link down below and read the blog posts I have associated with this video. Again, so we can all be best prepared with the coronavirus. Amazon Prime makes it simple to order a bunch of things. I did include, of course, my fresh jack spices for the frozen meats that we do have, adding a little seasoning, and also adding seasonings to the tuna and to the chicken breast. We will have eggs, and I definitely love using their brunch seasoning. It's like an everything in the bagel seasoning through Fresh Jacks. Fresh Jacks is the best spice company. I love them so much. Individual almond butter, chia seeds is another one that you can mix with unsweetened coconut milk. You can get coconut milk, a whole bunch of cans from Amazon. That's a great purchase to get, and mix those with your chia seeds or with a lot of other, if you have frozen chicken or meats and things like that to make crock pot dishes with. Unsweetened almond milk is another great choice to have on hand. Large olives, I'm gonna go pick up a whole bunch of olives today just to have on hand, and then individual packs of olives too, just as an option. So in my blog post, I talked about, obviously, I'm not eating shelf life food for the ketogenic diet every single day. This is more so for emergency preparedness. If the coronavirus came and we need to be stuck indoors for a long period of time, do we have low carb foods, keto foods, emergency preparedness, things like laundry, like things to be sustainable at home if we had to be stuck indoors, and making sure that you have soaps, cat foods, dog foods, thinking of your fur babies. We're doing a whole fur baby order for our animals too. Medication a month out. Have you thought about your medications for the next month? If nothing could be delivered, and do you have your medications for a month out? Masks and gloves, I'm not including those. I save them for the health professionals, and quite frankly, from what I've read, the masks really don't work anyways. So those are all of my coronavirus emergency prepared list items. Put in the comments below if you have ones to add to the blog post. My blog post link will be continuously updated as new information comes out, and other potential items to have on hand too as we go through this. And hopefully this coronavirus thing, they come up with a vaccine or they figure out solutions to stop it from spreading. But I do think being prepared is not a bad thing. Not overhyping it, but being well prepared. So put in the comments below again if I should add anything, if there's other things we should be getting, things I've missed. I welcome suggestions and positive feedback to help further this conversation in a positive direction. So let's make it a powerful day. Bye, friends.